What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. I hope you guys are doing well. First off, let's speak about what's happening and what is actually happening with crypto right now. It's looking absolutely vicious. So basically, we had some data that came out. The CPI, technically, it is bullish data, but essentially, you know, there was a lot of untold stories behind the CPI. There's like housing inflation, rental, sorry, not rental, all this other type of stuff that goes into the CPI. They kind of hide it in the background. So that's kind of why we're seeing a little bit of a sell-off right now. But yeah, I did enter a long for Bitcoin. Yeah, I did enter a long based on this level over here. Around about 59k. So 59k was the key level that obviously price was been holding for the last couple of days. And yeah, I do think that we could see a potential move up from this level. It is possible. It is possible to see a move up from this level. So let's see what happens. Right now, I still remain quite bullish. I do think that we will buy up this level. If we look at 40, yeah, look at this. To me, that just looks like a double top though. But overall, this should hold because the daily time frame did actually. Yeah, if you look at the daily, it closed bullish above the level. So I'm expecting this candle to actually flip bullish, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, it's hard to say right now, but yeah, I did take a long here for Bitcoin, and the shorts. We did short that as well, but yeah, I think right now, it's quite vicious, the market. To be fair, it's quite volatile. So just be careful with opening up positions and all that. Yeah. Having a look at this will help you guys. So the book map shows you pretty much where all the liquidity is sitting. So let's wait for this to load here. Let's wait for this to load here. But yeah, I think this is a valid setup for Bitcoin. Having tight stops just below the wick there. It looks like just a sweep of liquidity. So I don't think there's really anything to worry about. Same thing with Ethereum. I'm actually looking, where's ETH? I'm looking to long this level as well. So if we look at Ethereum on the 1 hour, have a look at this. This is typically a bounce zone for ETH, guys. It's typically a bounce zone right now. So yeah, let's see if we can maybe buy back up to this level here, 2745. That would be a nice level. So looking to long this area right now for Ethereum. Similar structures to what Bitcoin's showing as well. So yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can get this. Yeah, so just took a long here. There's quite a lot of selling pressure right now, though. A lot of people are just unsure what's happening. But let's see. It looks like it looks a lot better because Bitcoin is bouncing from the support here. Yeah, I like the setup for Bitcoin and for Ethereum, to be honest. I think that this is clean. As long as price stays above this trend line, you should be good. Once it starts breaking this level, we're probably going to see more downside, so just be careful. But yeah, overall, I'm expecting a little bit of a buy up here for the market because it got kind of smacked from the data, right? The data was quite lethal, to be quite honest with you. But yeah, it's looking like it wants to come down, to be honest. What's the 30-minute doing? 30, the 1 hour. I think that this is a good position. Probably add a little bit more, a bit lower here. We've already tapped into the zone though. This is a strong support here, guys. This area over here. And then Jupiter, I was looking at this long as well, and also not. Yeah, I swear you got absolutely smacked. Actually, also. I was looking to long this, but didn't actually take it. Essentially, I mean, it's breaking lower though, so it's not looking good. But let's see. I want to see if price can come back up to this point. Then we can maybe look for a long. But yeah, it's looking like the market wants to come down, guys. It's quite interesting. Yeah, if you look at the 1 hour, everything is getting absolutely smacked. Pretty much everything's down more than 2%, which is crazy. So, yeah. I still think that this is a good setup if you guys want to take this. It's quite a low risk setup. You know, you just have your stops just below here. I'm expecting price to bounce here, guys. I'm not saying that it will, but I am expecting a little bit of a bounce. 𝗕𝗫𝗄𝗃 came all the way back to my entry. This was my entry for 𝗕𝗫𝗄𝗃. I still remain long on this. To be honest with you, I still remain long on this. It's still holding support over here. This was just manipulation, so you kind of just have to think about it like that. Have a look at 𝗕𝗏𝗃. 𝗕𝗏𝗃 is so strong, guys. What's happening here? I'm trying to see what's happening with Phantom here, because everything is kind of dumping and Phantom is looking good. But yeah, if you guys did just join, we did take it long for Bitcoin. But yeah, to be honest with you, it doesn't look like it's going to hold. It doesn't look like it's going to hold, but we'll see. We'll see if this holds. Of course, if it does, well then it's good. 𝗕𝗏𝗄𝗃 has been pumping a lot today, guys. 𝗕𝗏𝗄𝗃 has been doing really, really well. See how it came to this level here. Let's see what happens. So we might get stop touch here for Ethereum. We may just get stop share for Ethereum. This is a strong zone, so if we do see a bounce, it will probably be here. So it's important probably just to stay patient, just to see if we can get a bounce. Let's see. Yeah. So right now, just waiting.